In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily export videos from Capcut in 4K 60 FPS quality. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, first of all you will have to do is to open Capcut application. So guys, first when you're on this page, tap on new project, or you will have an edited photo. Now once you have done all the editing in CapCut application and now you want to export your video with 4K 60 FPS quality, all you will have to do is to tap on 1080p option on the top right corner and take this bar to 2K 4K and take frame rate to 60, and then simply tap on the arrow on the top right and your video will be exported with 4K 60 FPS quality. So guys, if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.